When using the default evaluation on the functional deficits page, there is a shortcut for writing functional goals. Under each category are subcategories that you can choose from by clicking the little arrow button. You will mark the subcategory that you evaluated. It gives you then a drop down for their prior level of function and now their current level of function. Then, if you would want to, this blue plus button is a shortcut for writing functional goals. So if I know supine to sit will be a goal for my patient, I click the blue button and I can immediately write functional goals from here. So I can maybe set them for supervision for a short-term goal, back to independence as a long-term goal. Click fill, and now just to skip ahead to show you, it has now written that short-term supine to sit goal and the long-term supine to sit. And you can still open the goal back up if you needed to add more information, um, such as, with a device with no pain, whatever you wanted to add any additional information.